Now let's make our way to the side of the car, and I want to show you the most difficult panel on here, which is the full roof. The roof starts from the back and comes all the way to the front side, and along the top it's sort of like wrapping a bubble. And once you get past that area, there's this big bend along the A-pillars and comes all the way to the front as a one-piece panel from back to front. Now let's take a closer look at the washer area, and that's usually the first area where a lot of installers have issues, and you normally get a lot of seams and gappage around this area. We wrap the film in there underneath the molding so that you don't get those seams, and it just looks that much better. And after you get past the washers, you have the windshield wipers to contend with, which is why many installers would do a joining seam right over here, right down the middle. And as you can see, we did this entire roof one piece so that you don't get any of those seams, and all of the panels, all of the surface area is fully protected.